Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Nitin and today I am going to share a video on basic life support. So this video shows basic steps which we should keep in mind while encountering such situation where you find a patient lying on the ground. So the step 1 is scene safety. It includes safety of the patient and the helper. Second step is check responsiveness of the patient. Third step is call for help. In the fourth step, you have to check the pulse and breathing of the patient. If the patient is not breathing and there is no pulse, you will start the CPR as soon as possible. The patient should lie supine and the helper should be sitting beside him with his or her elbow straight and fingers interlocked as given in the picture. You will give 100 to 20 chest compressions per minute. In between, you will give 2 rescue breaths per 30 chest compressions. This should be repeated for 2 minutes, making it a 1 cycle. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.